Licorice Root Extract gives you the skin of your dreams by tackling hyperpigmentation, targeting blemishes, reducing the look of fine lines, providing hydration. Licorice powder is one of the best natural ingredients to lighten and brighten up the skin. Today in this video I will share with you some steps to achieve healthy and glowing skin results. So let's get started. Step 1. Gentle cleanser. Your first step should always be cleansing. This helps remove any oil buildup or dirt on your face. When you apply your serum, your skin needs to be clean. It won't work as well on dirty skin. Wash your face with warm water and avoid any scrubbing motions. Hot water and vigorous scrubbing can aggravate irritated skin and slow down your progress. Afterward, pat dry with a towel. Use 1 tablespoon of licorice powder with milk and apply it as a paste. Let it dry and afterwards rub gently, and you are done. Step 2. Brightening serum. After your face is fully dry, your next step is to apply a serum. Apply your serum mineral oil by patting it into your dry skin, giving it plenty of time to soak in. The serum is what will have the biggest effect, so make sure your skin soaks it all up. Mineral oil is a humectant oil, meaning it attracts moisture from the air and binds it into the skin to increase hydration. Mineral oil helps draw out dirt and other debris, to release and lock in the skin's natural moisture. Note: don't apply directly any skincare products or oils before you test it on your skin. Step 3. Moisturize. 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 Once the serum has dried into your skin, you need to moisturize. Moisturizing helps seal that serum against your skin so that it works all night long. It also helps keep your skin soft and elastic, so that your skin can protect itself better. Your moisturizer must reflect your skin type. Using the wrong moisturizer can totally irritate your skin and undo everything we've done up to this point. You likely need a lightweight formula that won't clog your pores if you have oily skin. If you have dry skin, you need a heavy formula to infuse your skin with moisture. For more details, check out our video, The Best Essential Oils for Your Skin. Take it as a challenge and just try it for 15 days continuously in morning and evening. You will definitely see the difference. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.